Assalamualaikum. Today, as you all know, 7 April 2021. The topic or subject is English grammar. Sorry, the topic is narration or direct, indirect. As you all know, I have given so much examples and rules about these direct, indirect or narration or do as directed. Now I am going to make example according to 5 kinds of sentences which use in narration. First kind is assertive sentences. I told you before, in which assertion is made, statement is given. Statement is given. That will be called assertive sentences or declarative sentences. The example is, he said to me, according to the changes, he said to me, I cannot. Can will be changed into could. Cannot help you in this matter. This will be changed into that. In that form, he told me. He told me. Assertive sentences always said will be changed to told or tell or says. That he, I will be changed to he. Could not, as I told you before, could not help me in that matter. This will be changed to that matter. Another example, he says to me. Says, present form, first form. I cannot help you in this matter. Says will be changed to tell with S. He tells me that he could not, as I told you before, can will be changed to could not help me in that matter. As I told you, this will be changed to that. The third one, I said to him. मैंने उससे कहा, I said to him. You, अब यहाँ पे आ गया second person. You cannot help me in this matter. अब थोड़ा सा अगर if I translate this sentence into Urdu, that will be, I said to him, मैंने उससे कहा, you, तुम cannot help me in this matter, कि तुम मेरी इस मामले में मदद नहीं कर सकते. This will be changed to I told him that. मैंने उसे बताया that he could not, कि वो नहीं कर सकता मेरी मदद, my help in that matter, उस मामले में या उस मसले में. These are some kinds of assertive sentences.